Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be just doing a makeup look with some new makeup I got. Let's just get into it. So I'm just going to be starting with the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm thinking I'm going to be doing a pinkish look because there's like lots to choose from in here. So I'm going to take, I already also put concealer on my eyes also. So I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna just put it all over. Okay, so there's that. It's not exactly even, but you know, it's okay. Next, I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna go in this hot pink color, and I'm just gonna do that like on like the middle and the outside. So there's that. I'm gonna go in with this last glittery reddish color, and I'm gonna just put that on the outer edge. So there's the pink part, and I think I'm gonna add some glitter to it. So I'm using the Aurora Borealis BH Cosmetics Baked Eyeshadow Palette, and here's what it looks like. That's what it looks like, and I'm gonna use some glitter, and I'm gonna use the shade Prismatic first. I'm just gonna get this flat brush that's like really dirty, but you don't need to say anything about it. And I'm just gonna get the shade Flashing, and I'm gonna just put it on the inner corner. So I think that's it for the eyeshadow, and I'm not gonna put on eyeliner because that's just gonna mess it up. But I really like how this turned out. Now I'm just gonna finish the look. So I'm gonna use the Essence False Lashes mascara. So there's the mascara. Now I'm gonna put on the concealer. So this is the concealer I'm using, and it's the Instant Age Rewind Maybelline Concealer, whatever. We're gonna get the blush and highlight and something for my lips, and then we're gonna be basically done. So I'm using this Milani Coral Cove blush. Looks like that, and I'm gonna be using this brush, which is Earth Therapeutics again. Next, I have highlight, ColourPop Super Shock highlight in the shade Lunch Money. Then we're gonna put some on my cheeks. There we go. Now I gotta do my lips. So there we go. This lipstick doesn't match either, so it's okay, it's okay. This is the final look. It actually turned out really well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe for more to see more of my videos, and hit that notification bell to get notifications whenever I post a video. Bye!